Wanted to share a video with y'all I took last year. I've been through quite a bit of bad attics in my career doing HVAC. This is probably up there in the top 10 for sure. Look at this place. And check this out. They have a bridge in the attic so you don't get on the ductwork or anything else. And then you got to crawl down there, down that pathway to get to the actual unit. Unbelievable. If this place ever catches fire, it's going to go up in a heartbeat. So I made it down to the other end where the actual furnace is. Check this thing out. Down there is the vent to the bathroom. Crammed in here. Electrical wires exposed. Missing the panel. My goodness, look at this mess. Right down there is where the attic door is, where I came in and showed y'all the bridge is right down there. Look at this stuff. What a mess. What a mess.